Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX also shows just some sideways movement at the moment, a little bit of selling pressure yesterday and today, but overall unchanged scenario. We still have the idea here that of the end of December low, we rallied in a wave 1, we came down in a wave W. This here was a high X wave and we're now coming down in a wave Y. The WXY structure is a complex correction, which is quite common in crypto, not so common in other asset classes. And within the Y wave, we have a 3-wave move. So it's an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And the A wave is done. The B wave could still be unfolding as a triangle, similar ways to the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, or we get a higher B wave. Hard to say really, but eventually at the moment, based on the reading at the moment, unless we go above 2052, because that would be a bit of a breakout point, unless we go above 2052, the overall focus here would be on the downside in the short term. But as long as we're holding 1299, we should be able to find support here and have a good chance in this trade setup to rally in a third wave to the upside. Yeah, already marked here to $30 plus. Well, I'm not sure if the third wave will go that high. It depends on how low we go in the wave 2. But this is sort of the last bullish pattern I have available on this chart. A wave 1 to the upside and then A or WXY, and in the Y wave now in the last leg down basically, or it should start shortly. Support is between 1618 and 1299. This is the standard support zone between waves. For a wave 2. We can also try to calculate that a little bit more accurately. Let's see if we have, if we take the length of the wave W, we go to the high of the X wave. Yeah, and then we have two levels that are of relevance here. The first one is the 61.8 extension. We already reached that anyway. So technically the correction could be finished based on targets, yeah, but the structure doesn't fully align. I'd like to see one more leg down here. It doesn't need to, but I'd like to see it. The target then would be the 1-to-1 ratio at 1361. As you can see, that is perfectly in the yellow support zone between 1299 and 1618. It's just two different ways of measuring targets. Either we take the support zone, the Fibonacci retracements, or the extensions. Combining them both will give you probably the best target in terms of accuracy. Looking for confluence, but yeah, let's see. I think at the moment we don't have enough evidence that we have really bottomed already. So for me, it looks as if we get another leg down here. And on the micro level, I mean, this could be an Elliott wave triangle, which puts another lower high in an E wave, which would then complete B. Or, and that's the same story for Bitcoin, Ethereum. This is a WXY structure, and in the Y wave we have an A, B, C, and would be able to put in a higher B wave. But even then, it should result in another leg down here, at least based on what I see now. And that is what I would go with as long as we stay below 2052. So you can talk about breakout points here to the upside. The first breakout point and invalidation point for the triangle, which should ideally break down, is the 1825 level. A break above that level would invalidate the triangle, would send it most likely higher into the orange resistance area. Yeah, but that's my update about AVAX. It's just that below 1299, we probably have to start to look for new bear market lows, unfortunately. But for now, we're holding support. Okay, and that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.